Hey guys, Keely Reason here, owner of Love Hope Adventure, where I talk about the marriage relationship, intimacy of marriage, and how you can go deeper with your spouse. Today I'm answering a reader question about ways to twerk. How do I twerk? This reader is concerned about Googling twerk tutorials. I get it because you never know what you're going to get. So I've put together a short tutorial that will help you get started on twerking. But before I even start the positions for twerking, a few tips. One, wear loose clothing, something that your body can move in. If you are wearing jeans or something like that, the effect is going to be not as great because the material is holding your body in place. So consider something that's loose fitting, something that your body can move in. Another thing is to choose a song that will help you with the beat. I am going to put in the video link here. I picked Drop It Low, the clean version by Chris Brown. You can put this music on. At the end, I'll just run it for a minute just to show you how you can use the moves that I have shown you in the video with a song. I picked this version because it's fairly clean in the lyrics and I like the beat anyways. Okay, so those are two things to keep in mind. And the last thing is just have fun with this. If you want this to be something that's sexy for you and your spouse later on, great. But for now, just have fun. Just enjoy it. Play this music in your room on your own. Just try some things out. Man or woman, okay? Everybody can twerk. If you've got a booty of any shape, size, or form, you can twerk. So here's a few different ways to twerk that I'm going to cover because a lot of people only think of a traditional way, which might be a little bit more difficult to figure out how to do when you're new at this. All right, so I'm going to back up. I have had some feedback that maybe my videos are a little quiet when I get back there. I'm so sorry. I don't have a mic, so hopefully you can still hear me. Okay, one of the easiest ways that you can twerk, this is a simple move. I want you to put your arms out like you're carrying your grocery bags. All right, we're going to bring in our grocery bags, our shopping. And then you're going to take your knees, just have them slightly bent. And then you're going to turn your leg in. So think of it like you want this knee to go in towards the other knee. And then this knee, the right side, left side, right side, left side. As you can see from the side, when you're going right, left, it's moving all of your back end. This is a simple way to twerk. If you are not very, if you're like, oh, I don't really do well with movements or whatever, this is a very simple way of doing it. Okay, another easy twerk way is you're going to kind of lock your legs. Instead of like bending down, lock, okay? I want you to bend forward a little. And then I want you to just move your hips back and forth and back and forth, okay? When you do this faster than what I'm doing, your back end is going to jiggle, okay? It's going to have that twerk motion. So to do it, again, lock your knees, slightly bend forward, and go back and forth. If you need support, put your hand on a chair, put your hand on the wall. You can have something in front of you to help you go back and forth. Maybe the edge of your bed. If you're doing this for something with your spouse, use your bed. Okay, another type of twerk motion. Now this is the more traditional one. A lot of people think, oh, I gotta put my knees down, but maybe your knees can't handle this. That's fine. You do what works for your body. If you want to do the one where your knees are bended, you're gonna put your arms out like your shopping bags. And you have two different motions you can do. You can think of it like a salt shaker and your body is going down like this. To do that, you're bending your knees and you're popping back up. Bending your knees, popping back up. You can make your back end go down like this. You're leaning more forward, your back is to the back, right? Your knees are forward. This is gonna have the down motion. If you're trying to go up, think of like pulling your back, your butt up to your back. So you're just popping it back this way. So you're either popping your legs forward like this or up like this. Either one of these can work. You can hold your hands out like you're shopping. You can put your hands on the back. You can do this whether you're doing like this or whether you're popping it up, popping it down. So those are a couple of things you can do with your hands. Okay, so then the last type of twerk move that you can try that's a little bit easier is you're gonna just do one leg. You need to steady yourself with your wall or a chair or something, or the bed. You're gonna lock this leg, and then you're just gonna pop it up like this. And I can't put pressure on it. Let me see, I'll put it on this. So you're just going up like this. You're basically popping your leg up. Your heel, I know you can't see my feet, your heel is coming off the ground, but your toes are staying on the ground. And you're just popping up one side. In that position, you can look back while you're doing this. You can lean forward. That is a way for you to just get one side. Now, if you're trying to be sexy and be on your bed and you're like, oh, I like when like the floor twerking or whatever, you're gonna do the same kind of thing. You put both your hands on the bed. I'm not gonna get on my bed. You can do this with your wall. You can do this, as far as you need to. Now, in this case, you're just gonna get on your hands and knees and you're just gonna shake back and forth. Like we already showed you that one twerk move where we were just shaking back and forth, lean forward. You can do the same thing on your hands and knees. You already need to keep this all straight and locked in place anyways, because this is not a knee bending movement. Keep your back end loose. You're getting on all fours and you're just shaking back and forth. Okay, so let's just listen